Hello guys, so this is a quick tutorial on how to deposit and make withdrawals from your Exness trading account. Okay, so I believe that you already have your Exness account created. So this is my account, a real MT4 standard account. So all I just need to do is to click on deposit. Okay, as soon as I click on deposit, it's going to show the different options. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the first one, which is online bank transfer. And I click on it, online bank transfer, and then you see the account. Then I'm going to write the amount I want to deposit. Okay, so I want to deposit $10. So I'm going to try to I'm going to put 189. Sorry, it was stated here 18590. 18590. Okay, so that's actually $12. Sorry. Okay, because that's the least you can deposit on Exness. So as soon as I do that, I'm going to click on continue. As you can see, $12 is written there. So I'm going to click on continue. Then it's going to tell me to confirm. And then now it's going to show you this. Then a particular account, yes, a particular account that you cannot use more than once would pop up. Okay, so what you just need to do is to click on copy the account number. Okay, you can copy the account number and go over to your bank app. Okay, so as you can see, I've made the transfer to the particular account that was instructed. So I'm going to go back to my page. Yes, and it's showing your payment of so and so is successful, and then the page, so it's automatic, and then the page does what, it refreshes by itself, and you're going to see your money in your account, in your trading account. Good. So as you can see, we have $12 there already. Okay, we have $12 deposited already in that particular account. So that is it, guys. Very easy to make deposits. You can also make your withdrawals now from the same account. Okay, now as you can see, this is the account where we had the $12. So all I just need to do is click on withdraw, and then it's going to open this to give me the different options. So I'm going to be using online banking. Then this is it. I'm going to put the amount I want to withdraw. So I want to withdraw the whole $12. So this is it. It's showing me 18,400. Yes, the amount you deposit is slightly different from the amount you withdraw from. So I'm going to click on continue and then confirm. Now, as you can see, it's showing me all of this. So it's going to quickly show me confirmation that I need to make. Yep, so I'm going to make the confirmation here. Then it's going to show me processing and the gateway. So this is my bank account. Then I'm just going to click on confirm. And click on go to merchant. Yeah, and there we go. As you can see, it doesn't take too long. Now just look at it. I'm using Kuda Microfinance Bank. As you can see, the exact amount has been paid into my account, so it doesn't take too long at all. It's something that's happened in less than 3 minutes or so. Okay.